MacG just dropped a bombshell on Podcast and Chill. The king of South African airwaves spilled the tea on Pearl Modiade's shocking exit from Metro FM, and Mzansi is reeling. MacG alleged that Pearl's departure was no ordinary career move, but a heartbreaking result of the dark side of the media industry, where predators in suits hide behind the bright lights. The discussion reignited the sexual harassment allegation Pearl had raised, and the nation is fuming. Fans are outraged, calling for a total cleanup of the broadcasting industry. How many more women must suffer in silence? One netizen asked, echoing the sentiments of many. The reaction on social media has been volcanic, with chillers and general public alike demanding accountability and justice for Pearl and all victims of workplace exploitation. MacG's revelation has sparked a national conversation about the safety of women in the media industry. Is it time to name and shame those accused of harassment? Should the media industry be held accountable for protecting its stars? Share your thoughts. The conversation has just begun.